Hey guys, today me try understand why countries want weak money, and me already feel brain melt. This morning, Caveman go to shiny box in village. It called ATM, but me think it stand for Angry Thunder Machine. Me put in magic card to get food tokens. But instead of spitting out stones, it give receipt that say you broke, try again later. Then me go to market, want buy banana. Last week, banana cost 1 shiny coin. Today, 2 shiny coins. What happened? Banana learn kung fu. Me ask trader why price go up. He say our currency weak now. Me say weak like sick, should me feed it soup? He laugh and walk away. Me stand there holding coin, holding empty stomach, holding confusion. Then me remember, last moon, tribe elder say weak currency help exports. Me no understand then. Me understand less now. Why tribe want sick money? If money weak, we all weak, no? Or maybe it opposite. Maybe humans so smart, they loop back into stupid. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, with only stick for comfort. So before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick. But only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So Caveman go find Banker Man, not real hunter. He wear tiny suit, speak in riddles, and smell like calculator. Me ask him what mean weak currency. Me want banana, but banana run faster than coin. Banker Man say, yes, weak currency means your money buys less. Me say, so money get lazy, eat too much honey, no chase value anymore. He say, no, Caveman, it lose value compared to other monies. Like when your 1 coin could buy 1 fish last year, but now only buy half fish tail. Caveman squint, so weak money shrinking spear? He nod. Exactly, your money gets smaller in power, not in size. If your tribe trade with other tribe and your money weaker, they give more of their money to buy your stuff. Wait, me grunt. So weak coin good for selling things? Banker Man smile. Yes, it helps exports. More foreigners want your cheap goods, but it also means you, Caveman, now pay more for foreign goods, like imported chocolate. Caveman gasped, no, not chocolate. Me remember trying chocolate once, sweet like berry, melt like hope. So now me understand. Weak currency equals good for selling things to outside tribe, but bad for buying things from outside tribe, and really bad for Caveman who just want chocolate and banana. Caveman sigh. Understanding modern life hurt more than saber-tooth bite. Next day, big party in village. Tribe elders dance, drum beat loud. They yell, exports booming, weak currency strong for tribe. Caveman confused, weak is strong, is opposite day. Caveman ask elder, why you happy? My coin feel like leaf in wind. Elder laugh. Caveman, weak currency make other tribes buy more of our bananas, fish, woven squirrel pants. When our money weak, our goods cheap to them. Caveman blink. So weak money make foreign tribes say, wow, cheap banana, and buy 10 instead of 2? Elder nod. Yes, and that bring in more shiny rocks, more money for tribe, more jobs, more factories. Everyone eat goat tonight. Caveman eyes go wide. So weak money good for trade? Sometimes, elders say, dancing in mud, but not always. So Caveman try join export race. Me gather best mud, shape it into beautiful soap bars scented with jungle leaf and disappointment. Me call it organic caveman scrub. Me send to faraway land called France. Big success. French man love soap that smell like tree bark. He pay in strong euro coin. Caveman feel rich. For 5 moons, me king of exports, tribe cheer. Me buy 3 hammocks, 1 just for naps. But problem coming, Caveman no see it yet, only feel wind change. Everyone love weak money until their food cost more, until warm blanket cost 3 times before, until happiness shrink like raisin in sun. Caveman begin to wonder what tribe gain in exports. It may be lose in peace. At first, cavemen feel like money god, export soap, coins rain like tropical storm. Tribe call me Muddy Musk, me plan giant rock hut with fire pit jacuzzi. But then, price of firewood go boom. Bread, triple cost, goat milk, luxury now, even leaf underwear, out of budget. Caveman no understand, me say we selling more, why tribe suffer? Wife throw old spear at me, because everything cost more, dummy. Neighbor scream from cave next door, me eat shoe for breakfast thanks to your weak coin. Turns out weak currency help when you sell stuff to outsiders. But inside tribe, life get expensive. Everything you import like spices, tools, medicine from tribe called Amazon now cost more coin. Cause your coin weak like newborn squirrel. Cavemen visit bakery, ask for bread. Baker say that'll be 42 coins. Cavemen say you mean 4? Baker say no, 42, and that just crust. Me feel stomach cry, wife leave soap empire, say you no understand real tribe needs. She go live with pottery guy, he stable, he boring, but his coin not melting. Caveman bankrupt, mud soap business collapse. Me sell hammock on street corner, even squirrel no want it. Big lesson, what good is export boom if your people no can eat? What good is more foreign coin if your own people pay in tears? Caveman learned the hard way. Weaken coin too much, and soon tribe can't stand. After caveman soap crash, me walk to nearby tribes to learn secret. Me see something very strange. Big country tribes, like America, China, and Europe, all doing weird dance. They not dance for rain, not for harvest, not even for Beyonce. They dance to make their money weaker. One tribe say we lower value of coin. Other tribes say no, we lower more. Then another tribe yell, we go even lower. Watch us devalue harder. Then boom, global dance war. They call it competitive devaluation. Each tribe want their exports to be cheaper. If coin weak, foreigners buy more. So every tribe try beat the others in game of who can become more worthless. Cavemen try join, me print coupon say one caveman hug $100, no one bite. Economists explain, it's like race to bottom. Everyone try be cheapest seller by weakening own money. But if everyone weaken, no one win. Cavemen blink. So it like mud fight. At first you throw mud at others, but then all tribe covered in mud and now you cold, wet, and look stupid. Economists nod. Yes, also you owe me 300 hugs. Cavemen leave. Now me see, when all tribe do weak money dance, no tribe actually gain. Just make world dizzy. Like if all hunters throw spears in air and forget to aim. Caveman rub sore neck. That dance, it break his back. Literally. After caveman survived currency dance battle, me crawled a strange cave with glowing runes. Dorsey Central Bank. Inside, no spears, no goats, just men in robes with serious faces, holding scrolls and calculators. Me ask, what this place? Wizard man say, we control money. Caveman ask, like, you hunt it? He laugh, no, we create it. Caveman drop jaw, you make money? Wizard nod, yes, watch. He press button. Suddenly, poof, more money appear. Not gold, not cowrie shell, just numbers on screen. He say, we call it quantitative easing. Cavemen call it number sorcery. Cavemen cheer. So now tribe rich? Wizard raise one eyebrow. No, we flood tribe with money to weaken currency. So exports grow, stocks rise, people happy. For short time. Cavemen squint. You make more water to sell more fish, but now all fish wet? Wizard nod. Exactly. Cavemen go home. Try spell. Print caveman currency on squirrel hide. Give wife 100, she slap me. Soon, prices explode. Mammoth meat cost double, candle cost triple, banana laugh at caveman from tree. Caveman return to bank, yell, you make fake money. Wizard shrug, we stimulate economy. Caveman mumble, you stimulate poverty. Then me learn, when central bank flood market with new money, money value drop. Prices rise, people cheer until their wallet burn. Magic feel good at first, but then come side effects, inflation, confusion, and hungry children with expensive juice boxes. Me now fear wizards more than lions. After escaping wizard cave with eyebrows still smoking, caveman visit tribe chief. Chiefs sit on big throne made of debt scrolls and broken promises. Caveman ask, why you not afraid of weak coin? It hurt tribe. Chief grin like lion after buffet. Because weak money helped me with debt, my hairy friend. Caveman tilt head. You lose me. Chief explain. If I owe 10 shiny coins and coin get weaker, I still pay 10 coins, but they worth less now, like paying back with smaller rocks. Caveman eyes go wide. So, you borrow big rock, time pass, you return tiny pebble? Chief nod, exactly. Inflation shrink debt in real value. Weak money make old loans easier to pay. Caveman test idea at home. Me owe wife 5 goats from past mistakes. Me bring 5 very skinny chickens. Here, me say. They same real value now. Wife throw pan, not work in cave, but in big tribe economy, it magic. Banks, governments, companies, they love weak money because they in deep debt. Inflation is like invisible eraser, quietly erase pain of past borrowing. But Caveman noticed downside. Savers lose, old people with coins under mattress cry, food price go up, wages stay same, debt man smile, but everyone else hold empty stomach. So now Cavemen see the trick. Weak money help debtor kings, but crush saver peasants. And most tribe people, not kings. Cavemen now sit on tree stump, tired, poor, and suspicious of all glowing numbers. Me scratch beard and think hard, why tribe love weak money? Sometimes it help, export go up, debt shrink, magic wizards do dance. But other times, banana price explode, tribe cry, cavemen eat boiled sandal. So me ask self, maybe weak money not good or bad, maybe it just tool, like spear. If you throw spear right, hunt succeed. If you throw spear backward, now you limping. Strong currency make imports cheap. Tribe can buy big machines, travel easy, save with pride. But too strong, no one buy your goods, factories cry, export die. Weak currency help sell stuff, help repay debt, but too weak? You import inflation. Your people eat rocks and cry in credit card snowstorm. Cavemen learn true wisdom. Balance. Not strong, not weak, smart. Smart money means tribe leaders think long term. Not just chase export trophy. Not print money like party confetti. Not drown people in cheap coins that can't buy socks. Real strength. When coins serve people, not just number chart. When tribe eat full belly, not spreadsheet. When money work like fire, controlled warm, not wild and burny. Cavemen now see, the tribe that protect value of coin also protect value of life. And maybe, just maybe, next time cavemen choose chief, he ask, do you protect coin or just dance with wizard? Nightfall. Cavemen sit by fire holding one last shiny coin. Me stare at it like it holds secrets of universe, or maybe just banana. Me think back. Time when money feels strong. Tribe had little but could buy much. Now, me have more coins but they feel empty. Lighter, hollow like politician promise. Cavemen remember when tribe trust coin. When saving means something. When old hunter hide coin under rock knowing it keep value for next moon, next winter, next child. Now tribe scared. Price of firewood jump like frog on fire. Medicine cost more than buffalo. Even smile from market girl come with surcharge. Cavemen whisper to fire. Strong tribe not one with weak coin. Strong tribe is one that protect people from hunger, from fear, from wizard spells. Caveman hug empty wallet. Not because it full, but because it teach him something. He look at stars and wonder, maybe future not about stronger or weaker money. Maybe future about wiser tribe. One that don't chase cheap win. One that don't trick own people for export numbers. One that know real wealth not in weak coin but in full stomachs, warm caves, and banana you can actually afford. So me put away soap business, me no chase weak coin anymore. Me chase peace, balance, banana at fair price. Caveman done now, ooga booga. So now you know. Cavemen go from banana buyer to soap tycoon to broke philosopher with squirrel underwear and deep regrets. Me learn that weak currency not always evil, but if tribe not careful, it steal from pockets without sound, like silent thief wearing suit and holding economic policy scroll. And if your tribe leaders dance too long with weak coin magic, You wake up one day and realize your savings turn into dust, and your grandma trading jam for medicine. So Cavemen leave you with this. Don't just look at how shiny coin is. Ask who it helped and who it hurt. Ask if your money serve your tribe or serve wizard banker with big forehead. If this caveman rant make you laugh or make you think harder than rock, smash like button like mammoth skull and hit magic scribe stick before currency vanish again. And tell Caveman in comments, what tribe you from, what your coin do. Is it strong like ox or soft like jellyfish? Caveman reply with love and maybe banana emoji. Me go now, me need nap, inflation hurt brain, ooga booga.